Hello Corel user, this is Jeff Harrison and I'd like to share a tip with you that I found very useful over the many years that I've been using CorelDRAW, and I think you'll find it useful too. And what it is using the W key as a shortcut to weld shapes. Right now I can select shapes like this, and up on your toolbar here you've got weld as an option. Now welding, trimming, and intersecting shapes is very common as a feature and a function in CorelDRAW, and you'll be finding that you'll be doing it quite often. And of course you can always go back and forth to the toolbar to make that work. But what if you could simply just press a shortcut key on your keyboard anytime you wanted to weld stuff? Of course that would be more convenient, and once you set it that way I'm sure that you'll never go back. To set that shortcut key, press Ctrl J, and that'll bring up the options window. Now up on the top right here, click on Customization, go over to your left, click on Commands, and in the search box here we want to look for Tools. Just type in the word Weld, and we've got the word Weld there. So click on Weld, click over here on Shortcut Keys, go down here, press W, and choose Assign. And you can see it's not conflicting with anything else, so that's a good thing. Click on OK at the bottom. And now what that allows us to do is simply select shapes and press W and it'll weld. So what that allows you to do is just quickly create shapes, move them around, select them, press W without having to go back and forth to the toolbar at the top of the screen. And so if you're constructing shapes, it's just so much faster to not have to go up to the toolbar. Now for those in manufacturing, especially doing vinyl cutting and some other types of industrial processes, it's really important to understand what's going on behind the scenes of CorelDRAW. So if we click on View, go to Wireframe, and we zoom in on some of this lettering here, you can see how it overlaps from character to character. And while it looks okay in straight black text for printing purposes to, let's say, a laser printer, if you have a different type of output device such as a laser cutter or vinyl cutter, things like that, it's actually going to cut this line there. And we don't want that. We want to have nice smooth characters. So on the bottom texture you can see how this character goes way into the letter E there. So this weld feature will automatically solve all of those problems. If you just press the W key, it cleans up all that stuff automatically. Watch what happens on the interior of this font here. Pressing W, and it's automatically welded those shapes together properly so that a vinyl cutter will follow the curves as you're seeing, just the way you're looking at it there in wireframe mode. The final reason you may want to set W as a shortcut to weld is that it's an interesting way to clear away transformations on some objects. So for example, if I was to create a rotation on the shape, skewing, that kind of thing, I've got all of that set there as parameters. And let's say you wanted to clear away all of that stuff, you just press W and it'll reset all of the skewing, rotations, scaling, all of those types of transformations are now disposed of, and we just have a simple curve. The same thing would apply if for whatever reason you wanted to get away from having a CorelDRAW rectangle and you just want it to be a simple curve. W will force it to be just a curve. Same thing with ellipses and things like that. Maybe that's useful for you. I hope you find this helpful in your work, and take care.